In this tutorial, I'm gonna show you how to draw a face like this in less than 3 minutes. First, let's choose the canvas. You go to Actions and Drawing Guide, Edit Drawing Guide, Symmetry tool, done, and go to choose your brush. So usually I start with this. Okay, fill it in. Now a new layer, go for the lips. And then you fill them up. To a new layer, the nose. A new layer for the eyes. Drawing assist again. Then you choose the hard brush. Do this. Choose another layer. Drawing assist again. And choose the flat brush. You can find those brushes in the painting section. You can start around here. And voila. New layer. Drawing assist. And now eyebrows. For the eyebrows I use syrup. You can play around with the eyebrows until you find something that you like. Once you've finished with all the facial features, we start the styling. New layer, clipping mask. With a clipping mask, you will draw on top of the object that is under the layer. I use noise brush for the majority of the coloring, the shadowing. In the middle of the face, it's more luminosity, the contouring, like this. And we use a little bit of blush. For the nose, we go around here. I start around the nostrils and go up and draw a line in the middle, and then a little bit like picky here. And add a little bit of more luminosity on the peak of the nose. I go to the lips and I choose a darker color. Usually on the sides of the lips is darker. Then a little bit of contouring for the lips, a bit of reflection here and here. To the eyes, I'm actually going to choose the eraser tool and choose the noise brush for the eraser tool, and then this. It's a nice touch. Go to the eyelashes and choose the script, and we sculpt the lashes. You can do them like this. And now we go to sculpt the eyebrows. Nice to do it like this. To add the neck, you can go underneath the layer of the face. Make sure it's drawing assist. You draw a neck like this, and here alpha lock it so you can do the shadow on the neck like this. And now you can merge all these layers in 1 second. In order to make her a side bang or something like this, I deactivate the drawing assist to this. Basically, I sculpt the face. Underneath the layer of the face, I draw the hair. Play around with the hair as much as you want. We can even add ears underneath. And this is how to draw a face in 3 minutes. Well, it can be even more than that. I hope it was helpful.